Hey everyone, I'm back with a second way of getting your live streams to stream to X when X won't stream them for you like they're supposed to if you have an X premium account or subscription as they call it. And back in July, X decided to start charging people, live streamers, for streaming on their service. So now you have to have a X premium subscription, which is $8 a month. Not too bad, but it's just annoying as all you know what. But today I'm going to show you a second way of getting your stream to X. When you go to stream to X, you'll usually get, now this is for restreamers, people who use Restream. You check out your destination and all it says is streaming media, streaming data, whatever it does. And it doesn't turn over to streaming. This is going to fix that. I'm going to share my screen and we're going to go over to X to look at why this is happening. Okay. So let me share my screen here. Let me do this. Let me do this and let me do this. Okay. We should be streaming. Yes, here we go. Let's go over to X. Here's my X account. And what you're going to do is when you're on your main page of your X account, you want to click on more and then click on X Premium. That's going to take you to your premium X Premium subscription. Okay. Don't even bother DMing premium support. No one's there. No one answers. Okay. Believe me, I tried for weeks and I got maybe 2 answers from more information. I sent them the information, never heard from them again. So I figured this out on my own with the help of Restream support. So once you're on your premium page, go down to Media Studio and then click on Producer at the very top. And when you're on the very top, you're going to see podcasts and sources. I want you to click on sources. Once you click on sources, this is where the problem is. What happens is X, formerly Twitter, is an RTMP type of site. They use RTMP for video streaming. Now, you don't have to do anything when you're streaming to X. They do it for you. I mean, it's all automatic, but sometimes it's bogged down. Mine originally had like 20 different RTMPs in it. And in the first video that I did on this, I showed you how to take care of all that. But this is where the problem is, okay? Just so that you know. If you want to know how to take care of this, go back and look at my first video, and you'll find out how to do it. Okay, let's get out of this. Let's go to Restream Home, which is where we are right now. And let me make sure this is coming up. Restream Home is coming up. Yes. Okay. So we're on Restream Home. And what you're going to do is you're going to create an event. Now, with the new Restream look, I don't really care for it, but I do have to admit it's a lot easier than the old one that they had. So all you have to do is click on Create New. At the very top, you're going to click Restream Studio, because if you look down, there is no schedule an event or event scheduler like on the old Restream. So click on Restream Studio. Allow Restream Studio to come up. When Restream Studio comes up, you're going to create an event. Okay. Now, this is where it gets kind of funky, I'm going to call it. You're going to enter your studio like you're going live, but you're not going live. Do not click live, whatever you do. Please don't click live, because if you click live, you're going to go live, but it's not going to stream to X. Okay. You're going to have the same problem you did before you started watching this video. So instead of clicking on go live, I want you to click on schedule. Once the schedule window comes up, you're going to see an area where to create the event. And I'm just waiting for it to come up on the screen here. It should be coming up momentarily. There it is. Well, when I use this method, I just called my event test. So I put test in there. Ignore the date, ignore the time, ignore the description. You don't need it. Don't upload a thumbnail. Just click next. Let Restream do its thing. Okay, it takes you over to your destinations. Now, here's where you normally in Restream turn on your destinations, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Kick. I got quite a few in here, but we're just going to concentrate on X right now. So you're going to go down to your X destination. As soon as I find mine, it's here somewhere. I know I made one. There it is right there, which is ACBN radio. And you're going to turn that on. You're going to turn on X. Okay, once you've done that, down at the very bottom of that window, it says create event. You want to click on create event. Once you click on create event, Restream is going to create the event for you the same way with StreamYard, EVMux, OBS, I believe does the same thing. Whatever third-party streaming software that you're using will do that. And then you can click go live. Okay, once you click go live, if you go back to your destinations and look at X, you'll see where it's going to say sending data, and then it's going to say streaming. Okay, that's going to push everything out of the way and let you through so that you can stream live to the X platform. Easy as that, folks. I know it's a little bit more involved than the first video I showed you, but this will work for you if you cannot get X to stream your live stream. Okay. So thank you for watching. Do me a favor, smash that like button, subscribe, and click the bell so you'll be notified when I put up a new video. And I thank you so much for watching today. And I hope you have a great night. Okay. We'll see you in the next one.